Now we are happy to hear a bit more about what happens in Trento. So we asked to Giacomo Fioroni, which is the head of, as I said, of the Smart City project of the municipality of Trento, to help us understanding why a municipality could be happy to participate in a project like Marvel, what the city of Trento can gain from the technological results that Marvel will bring. So thank you, Giacomo, for helping us in this. I leave you the floor.
Okay, thank you, Elisabetta. Hello, everybody. I try to share my screen and my presentation. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. Do you see my screen? Can you confirm?
Yes, we see your screen.
Okay, thank you very much. Sorry. Okay. Hello, everybody. As Elisabetta said, I am Giacomo Fioroni, head of the Smart City project of the municipality of Trento. And I would like to explain how the Marvel project fits into the Trento Smart City strategy and why we consider it extremely relevant. First of all, some information on Trento as a city and as a municipality. Trento is located in the north of Italy. It's the third largest city in the Alps, with around 120,000 inhabitants. The municipality has around 1,500 employees and a very high quality of life. Also, for this reason, it was selected by IEEE in 2014 as one of the 10 smart city excellence in the world. Even at Italian level, it has been one of the smartest city for over 10 years, thanks to a strong, long-standing, successful collaboration with FBK, as Marco said, and the local university. Speaking about smart city, for us, it means making use of the ICT technology to improve the quality of life of citizens while preserving the history and traditions of the city. To improve the quality of life, we try to listen to the city users, to simplify, to engage, and to provide innovative service. Let's take a look. Speaking of listening, we try to take a structured approach that includes many tools. An example is the possibility for citizens to easily report issues to the municipality and see all the answer. Speaking of simplification, here is an example developed with FBK of using artificial intelligence to simplify the text and the digital services by applying a workflow adaptation engine and virtual assistant. With regard to engagement, over the years, we have organized a series of events in the city center, the Trento Smart City Week, in the suburbs, the Smart City Labs, and even in the schools, to raise awareness and explain how to exploit the innovative services available. But what innovative services are we talking about? A first example concerns real-time information on the availability of parking spaces in underground car parks, both via road signs and via smartphone. as well as knowing nearby location of parking for disabled and for loading, unloading goods, and be guided there. Or by using the e-ticketing services for public transport or for parking, or to receive notifications based on your needs, such as parking bans on the streets where you usually park for street washing, or any delays that occur when the train or the public transport you use. Or lighting for parks and cycle paths that adapts according to the actual presence of people, so as to ensure energy efficiency and lower CO2 consumption. Or a safer, more social and fun, sustainable mobility for children to positively enhance the neighborhood as a smart community involving family, volunteers, and the school. But how to deliver these innovative services? By applying the most advanced smart city and digital model. I try to use the mouse. Based on the 3 horizontal layers linked to infrastructure, to sensor, and to a data and service delivery platform, on which to provide application and services in all fields through interoperability. The focus is on the data, with a data control room in which to collect data from different sources and infrastructures, and on which to build services, analytics, and up to a real smart city control room. Our data-driven strategy is based on organic data management, breaking down the silos and providing an overview of data in order to ensure decision support, innovative services, management, improvement, enriching data by transforming it into information and then in knowledge. The objective is to understand immediately what happens now, what happened in the past, and why. And to then understand what will happen with what-if analysis. Our roadmap has 3 phases. In the first, observe. The scenario is defined with the context analysis and data collection. In the second, the learn phase, there is an enrichment of data using artificial intelligence and or developing advanced analytic system. And in the third phase, the act phase, the tool and the services useful for the scenario are released. All this working on 4 closely connected dimensions. In addition to the technology one, there are organization, processes, and policies, as well as engagement and commitment. Here are a concrete example applied to shared mobility. The data collected by the scooters is sent via API and stored in the data platform in order to real-time monitoring, analytics for decision making, and alerts sent to the control room. Here are the analytics provided on real-time and historical data. And here are 2 geographic analytics built to show the most traveled routes and the most used parking areas. extremely useful for evaluating the real use of the services and making informed decisions. We are applying this approach to numerous scenarios, also thanks to the European project we are participating in, Marvel, of course, and Stardust, CO2, and Protector project. And here I am finally providing the answer to the initial question. Why is Marvel relevant for the city of Trento? The answer is that Marvel is a relevant and extremely useful implementation of our smart city data-driven strategy in the field of the urban safety. The current scenario relating to urban safety has some problem. The municipality want to understand what is happening in different areas of the city, squares, underpasses, and parking area. But even though currently having more than 600 cameras, is unable to exploit their value, manually monitoring only 6 cameras and carrying out data analysis only afterwards with great waste of time. In the Marvel project, we apply our strategy to this scenario by collecting data from cameras and Microsoft in the observe phase, by providing out analysis in real time using artificial intelligence to predict dangerous situations and send alerts in the learn phase, and by receiving these alerts in the control room of the local policy, and the availability of a faster video analysis, as well as monitor events over time in the act phase. The project manager for the municipality are Thomas, who will then present the detail of our pilot, Alex and Andrea, closely working with the staff of the local policy of Trento, with FBK, and with all the other partners. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. Here you find my email address in case you would like more information. Thank you very much.